Today we're here to talk about the Weego N44S, our compact, easy to use jump starter that puts out up to 440 amps and will start most engines up to a 7-liter V8. And the way this works is extremely simple. If you were to hit this button, the lights are going to ramp up and show you how much power is inside the 44S. So this shows that it's fully charged. The way you would use this is extremely simple. It comes with a set of smart clamps, and the smart clamps have features we'll talk about in a second. Really compact clamps that open up to 2.5 inches, and they're designed to fit onto motorcycles, ATVs, smaller batteries, including up to normal car batteries because of the way they open. So the way this would work is you simply open the hatch and you see the connection port for the clamps and the charge port we'll talk about later. So when you open and connect, this will light up. You're now ready to actually jump start the vehicle. So you would connect this to the battery, red to positive, black to negative, on the terminals, and you would start your car. You're going to get a green light. The green light will tell you that you're good to go. If you don't see a green light, you could always hit bypass, which is this button, and it's going to light for you. Now, caution is when you hit bypass, these clamps are now live. You want to be careful they don't touch each other and they don't touch any common metal. This will also turn off after 30 seconds by itself. But it's as simple as that. The N44S, compact, easy to use, very reliable product.